بعطيك حلو بعطيك إيه.
Now tell me what is this? I only this, not that. Okay, so what is this chamber?
Right atrium.
Very good. And this outpocketting, this is right auricle. And this is
Left atrium.
left auricle. Between the two we find,
The pulmonary trunk.
so the B is written on,
Pulmonary trunk.
and this red is
Arch of the aorta.
ascending aorta followed by arch of aorta. Okay, very good, very good. And what is this sulcus?
Coronary sulcus.
Coronary, not coronary, it is coronary.
Coronary.
Okay, you say coronary. Okay, that's correct. Okay, then you say here is a groove. What is this?
Interventricular.
Anterior interventricular groove. What is this vessel going in right atrium?
Superior.
Superior vena cava, which is formed by right and left brachiocephalic veins. Okay. Similarly, we would expect inferior vena cava on this side. So I will turn the heart so that you can see the coronary sulcus all around. So, can you see the coronary artery in coronary sulcus? Can you see that?
Yes.
And now I am turning the heart. You see coronary sulcus continue containing the right coronary artery. Okay, I'll go at the back. So you see now the coronary sulcus at the back. So now this is the coronary sulcus at the back. And what is this groove?
A posterior interventricular.
Groove. Okay, very good. And what is this chamber where this inferior vena cava is going?
Right atrium.
Atrium. And what is this chamber?
Left atrium.
Left atrium. Very good. And it should have 4 pulmonary veins entering it. So this is 1, 2. These enter in the left atrium, and this is 1 and 2. So this also enter in the left atrium. So this part is in contact with the vertebral column, while this part is in contact with the diaphragm. Okay. So you saw the external features here. Okay. Right. So now this is some bigger model. So this is your,
Right atrium.
this is left atrium, and this is your coronary sulcus. This is,
Anterior interventricular.
and this artery is anterior interventricular artery, and the vein is
Great.
great cardiac vein. Okay, and here we have right coronary artery. Okay, and here we should have marginal branches here. So this is the anterior surface. You see superior vena cava. You see ascending aorta continuing into the arch of aorta, and the arch is going at the back. You see pulmonary trunk dividing into right pulmonary artery and the left pulmonary. Okay. At the back. Here you see the superior vena cava and inferior vena cava entering in the right atrium. Okay. So this is inferior vena cava, this is the superior vena cava, this is your right atrium, right auricle, and your posteriorly this is the coronary sulcus at the back, and this is the left atrium with 4 pulmonary veins here. You agree with me?
Yes.
And the great cardiac vein continues here to form the coronary sinus. And this is posterior interventricular groove. What is this artery? posterior interventricular artery, and the vein is middle cardiac vein. Middle cardiac vein. There should be a vein here on the left atrium, known as oblique vein of the left atrium, but in this model, they have not shown that vein. Okay. Now, if I remove this like this, okay, if I remove it like this, before that I should remove the right atrium. So I am opening the right atrium, okay, and you see the cavity of the right atrium like this. So this is the cavity of the right atrium, and you just see carefully, this is the superior vena cava entering, and at the entry, at its anterior margin, it forms a ridge like this. This crest-like elevation, this is known as crista terminalis. On the left side, it is having totally smooth part. On its right side, it is having rough part, which goes here. I have separated it here. So entire auricle and this surface is rough. This is smooth, and here you are having the node known as SA node. Very good. So this was your right atrium. So openings in the right atrium will be.
Inferior vena cava.
This opening is the.
Superior vena cava.
Oh God. Superior vena cava.
Yeah.
And.
Inferior vena cava.
Now you can see the inferior vena cava opening
Yes.
from
Yeah.
top, but it's difficult to focus it. Okay. Now you can see this opening is the inferior vena cava opening. Okay. It's here. Can you see it now? This is the inferior vena cava opening. Okay. So, and then at the inferior vena cava opening, on its left side, you are having the coronary opening of the coronary sinus. Okay. And here, this region, triangular region, between the opening of the inferior vena cava and coronary sinus, you are having AV node. Very good. Okay. And on the medial wall, where A is written,
The fossa.
this is fossa ovalis. So the features of the right atrium are crista terminalis, fossa ovalis, coronary orifice, superior vena cava opening, inferior vena cava opening, smooth part and rough part. Colors?
Yes.
Okay. Now if I remove the wall of the ventricles like this, okay. Now what I have done? What I have done? I have removed the anterior wall of both right ventricle and left ventricle. In between the two ventricles, this is the interventricular septum. Okay. The uppermost part is thin and membranous, while the lowermost part is thick and muscular. Okay. The uppermost part contains the bundle of His, and the lower part contains the right and left branches of bundle of His. Now we'll first see the features of the right ventricle. Here you can see the valvular complex. So you are having the cusps of the tricuspid valve. And can you give me pencil? Pencil, okay. Thank you. Okay. So you can see this cusp is the anterior cusp. This one. Okay. And then on the septal side, this is the septal cusp. Can you see that?
Yes. No.
Not clearly. Can you see it now? Can you see this whitish part here, where the shadow of pen is?
Yes.
This is the septum. So this is the septal cusp, and on its side, this is the posterior cusp. So anterior cusp is here, posterior cusp is here, and the septal cusp is on the side of the septum. So this is your septal cusp. So there are three cusps in the right atrioventricular valve. Okay, and you see there is a tissue which is coming as a rounded cord-like structure from the septum, and it is connecting the right wall. This is septomarginal trabecula or moderator band, which transmits the right bundle branch of conducting tissue, and then it will distribute the conducting system in the right wall of the ventricle. The left branch goes like this and supplies the wall of the left ventricle. So the features of the right ventricle are atrioventricular opening with the tricuspid valve with three cusps, and the chordae tendineae of the cusp and the papillary muscles. The other opening here is over here. This is the opening of the pulmonary trunk, which is guided by the semilunar valve, which are having again three cusps, but they are semilunar, and above these cusps there are cup-shaped spaces, concave spaces, known as the sinuses. So now you can see the three cusps of the pulmonary valve. Okay, so blood will enter from atrium to ventricle through this valve like this, and it will leave like this. So it forms a V, inflow, and this is outflow. Then it will go into the pulmonary trunk and will be distributed into the right and the left lungs so that the blood should be purified. Okay?
Okay.
Now we will open the left atrium. Okay. I will open it from the back side. Okay. This is the posterior surface of the left atrium. You see two pulmonary veins here and two pulmonary veins on the side. Can you see these ones? The definition of vein is any vessel which carries blood into the heart, no matter there is oxygenated blood or deoxygenated blood. If it carries blood to the heart, we'll call it as a vein. Here, this is the pulmonary vein, which is carrying blood from the lungs to the heart. Although it is known as vein, but it contains purified or oxygenated blood, because in the lungs it is oxygenated and then it goes. And previously you saw the right ventricle, pulmonary trunk and its two branches, pulmonary artery. It was colored blue. Why it was colored blue? Because this was whole body blood, and it was supposed to be thrown to the lungs, given to the lungs for purification. So the pulmonary artery is having impure blood, while